Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video real quick and just say my experience. I had a set of 33 12 50 20 ridge grapplers sitting in my garage from my Ram when it got totaled. They were brand new. It was only 2-3 weeks old. So the longer I've had my Tundra, I decided to go ahead and put them on it. And let's take a quick look at it and see. As you can see, it does look pretty good, but part of it, while I put them on, they would not fit because the tires was so wide they was touching the control arm. So I did have to go back and add 1¼ inch spacers on it in order for it to fit with the stock wheels. But now they're on there, it fits pretty good. And going full lock, turning the steering wheel in both directions, it actually works pretty well, and no vibration, no nothing. I used hub-centric billet spacers and torqued them on, and it only sticks out very little. Looking from the back here, you can see it just gives it just enough of a beefy stance to make it look really badass. But I just kind of wanted to touch off with y'all, let y'all know I'm still active. I'm just not, I don't want to start tearing apart a new truck just to make videos. But as I do things, I'm going to continue making videos for this channel. I will be coming with more stuff too, more BMW stuff, and I'm still in the process of finding a regular cab Ram. But for now, I just kind of wanted to give an update on that. I really do like this look and the way it rides and feels and everything. The only downside is now I can hear the road noise from the ridge grapplers. And just because the Tundra is so quiet, I need to do something about the exhaust to maybe make that a little beefier, and maybe it'll hide the noise of the road noise. But once again, as you can see, I like the way the overall stance is and stuff. It just makes it look like it's just a naturally tough stock truck. And anyways, that's it for now. I just wanted to give a little update and let people know, because there's a lot of people on the online groups that's asking, about running 1250s, wanting to put the 33 1250 20s on the stock wheels. And in all honesty, it'll work, but it won't work without spacers, because the control arm position and the offset of the OEM rims. So, to be honest, I hope this does help somebody. But until the next video, thank you.